Morning to all my students. Take out your new Radiant Readers Class 8 book. As you know, I have started this chapter, Lord of the Jungle. Yesterday I have completed till here. Today I will start from here. In stalking and bringing down his prey, a tiger does not spring. There is no sudden steely leap into the air, no tremendous shooting forward as when a panther launches itself into space. Okay, means in stalking means when he was approaching stealthily. Okay, bringing down his prey is an animal that is hunted and killed by another for food. Okay, a tiger does not spring. A tiger is not jumping suddenly. Okay, there is no sudden steely leap, means he is not resembling to steal in color. Okay, that is called steely leap means he is jumping a long way into the air, and no tremendous shooting, means very great in amount shooting is not doing, means the action of or practice of shooting with a gun, that is called shooting forward, as when a panther launches itself into space. The panther launches it, when panther is called a leopard, which is then black in color. It launches itself into space, is it set in motion, okay, by pushing it into space without fuss of any kind. The tiger arrives within the close range. So without fuss means without a display of unnecessary of any kind, the tiger arrives with a close range. He comes and takes one or two quick balancing steps and then rushes forward. So he is taking the steps and is rushing forward. Should the quarry escape from his attack, quarry is called a place, typically a large pit that from which stone or another material have been extracted, that is called quarry. Escape from his attack, the tiger gives up the chase after about 18 or 100 yards. So tiger is chasing, okay, up to 100 yards. Okay, yards is a unit of linear measure which is equal to 3 feet. Tiger kills a rule every 4 days, and though fasting is not popular with their kind, as they can fast for longer period of time, a fortnight or even 3 weeks if necessary. So tiger kill, and it is the rule of every 4 days, and despite of the fact of fasting, that we are doing abstain from some kind of food or drink, that is fasting is popular in their kind, and they can fast and they can do fasting for longer period of time, the tiger. Okay, sometimes they can fast for fortnight, means a period of 2 weeks. They can also do fast even 3 weeks if it is necessary. Okay, no 4-footed prowler moving along the green paths of the forest have such wonderful headlights as the tiger. 4 foot means animal which have 4 foot, and prowler means a person who moves stealthily about near a place with a view of committing a crime. Move along moving in the green path of the forest and has a wonderful headlight like that of tiger. His eyesight is as excellent. His eyesight is very excellent, and his pupil at night swell into a glowing lamp. So his pupil is glowing like a lamp. Okay, at night. So his pupil is swelling and glowing like a lamp at night. That is called swell, means it is becoming larger. He is a first class swimmer. So he is a first class swimmer also, and his hearing is also sharp indeed, but one failing that he has practically no. So he has one thing which is falling. Okay, a weakness is there, that he has no sense of smell, means he is a eyesight is also good. Okay, his pupil is also at night like glowing like a lamp. Okay, he is the best swimmer also. He can hear also sharply, but one weakness is there, that he has no sense of smell. Okay, had this sense have been developed to the some degree of perfection as the other, then truly might the tiger menace men as well as the wilds. So if this sense could be developed to some degree of perfection as the others, then truly the tiger might be the menace. Menace means a person that is likely to cause harm as well as the wilds as a natural state. Only one foe does the warlord of the jungles fear, the porcupine. So only one enemy of the warlord means a military commander that is called of the jungle fear. That is, they are having fear. Means fear is of porcupine. Porcupine is a large rodent with defensive spines on body and tail. Okay, it is he is a organism. Okay, porcupine. He is a small yet he is adversary who is in his defeat and death often wins the victory. So he is so small and it is adversary means one's opponent in a contest that is called adversary who is in defeat and death. So there is defeat also and they are dying also. Okay, in the victory. In such a battle between David and Goliath, the porcupine, if attacked, generally brings about the death of a giant attacker by striking him full of spears. So in a battle between David and Goliath, the porcupine, if the porcupine is being attacked, okay, the porcupine is attacking them, generally it brings a death. It brings the death of a giant attacker. So the one who is attacking, it generally got died by sticking him full of spears. Spears means a weapon with pointed tips, and it got making them die with these spears with whipping movement of the tail. And with sweeping movement of the tail, sweeping means standing a long and continuous curve of the tail. Goliath is turned into a ragging pin cushion with a little power of removing the pin. So Goliath is turned into a ragging pin of cushion. Ragging means continuously with great force. Pin of cushion means a small pad of holding pad with little power of removing the pins. The power is very little to remove the pin. The porcupine has a score of kills on the back and tail, black spears tipped with white varying in length from 1 inch to 14 inch. So the porcupine, which is called an organism, has a score of kills. Score means the number of points of kills. Kills means any of the main wings of birds on its back and tail, and black spears, which is tipped. Tipped means catches one's foot on something and stumble. With white and it is varying in length, means sometimes it is of 1 inch size or 14 inch. They are hidden in its fur. So these are hidden in their fur and they are lightly attached. So their weight is also very much light, and each has 1,000 barbs. So each has 1,000 barbs. Barbs means a sharp projection near the end of an arrow, which is tucked away in the stem, which is pushed in the stem. These barbs appear immediately when the flesh is touched. So these barbs is appear when it is appearing when the flesh is touched. No animal except the porcupine can teach the tiger to mind its own business. So this porcupine is teaching the lion to mind his own business over all the rest of the jungle. He holds absolute sway and his appearance is a signal of alarm. Means he holds the absolute sway. Absolute means not qualified, and sway means move or cause to move slowly. Is an appearance that this is the signal of alarm. The lordly sambar stag roars. So the lordly means suitable for lord, and sambar means a deer of southern Asia, and stag means a male deer that roars. Okay, and the monkey utters screeching. So the monkey is uttering, okay, means complete screeching. Screeching means loud, harsh, piercing sound, cry, grunt of warning. Grunt means making a short guttural sound. The peacock makes off in a flutter of color. So the peacock is making the fly steadily of color, and the jackal when near a tiger kills get into an immediate fright. So when the jackal when near the tiger, it kills his and get into an immediate fright. Okay, immediate fright, a sudden intense feeling of fear that they are getting, and though aware that he is playing with fire and they know that he is playing with fire, even man grips his rifle more firmly. Man is holding the rifle, okay, firmly, and he does not wish to provide another sacrifice for the yellow god of the Indian jungles. So he does not want to provide the sacrifice of the does not want to give the sacrifice of the yellow god of the Indian jungle. He don't want to give.